Jackie, I just had to show you, this is Isabella's fish oil spoon. Now I'm going to walk slowly because I'm in the kitchen. Oops. And I don't want to spill any of this yummy fish oil as I take it up to her. My battery's dying, so I want to make sure it doesn't die. Now she's sitting in the chair with the e-collar on because it's easier for me to get her to take this. But she knows when it's coming. It's so precious. Isabella, here comes your oil. You want to take it from Mama? Bella? Jackie. Come on. Come on. She stands up. Get it away from me, Mommy. Come on. Isabella. She'll lick her mouth. Come on, sweet girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Look at her. She's so fresh. Okay, I gotta put it on the thing. Take off her e-collar. Don't move, Isabella. Here. Look at her face. Look at her face. No, Mommy, I don't want to take it. No, Mommy. Now she'll do it. All of it. A little more. A little more. Come on. A little more. Good girl. Oh, she spilled some on the she spilled some on the seat. Look at the spill mark. Oh, wow. Okay. All done. We had to show Aunt Jackie. Right, Papa? Are you mad at Mama? Say hi, Aunt Jackie. Alrighty. I'm going to go wash.